Unlock new possibilities in CNC machinery with hippsc's U7 Pro. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or a newcomer to the shop, our foolproof operation ensures a smooth experience for all. Say goodbye to downtime with our quick change coil feature, compatible with tool holders of all heating ranges. The U7 Pro's versatility allows for swift and hassle-free adjustments, maximizing productivity in your workshop. U7 Pro features barcode scanning to instantly apply predefined heating settings for every tool holder. Take control of tool installation depth with our proprietary clamping spring design. Safety is paramount with the U7 Pro, which includes insulated gloves and pliers for secure operation. In this demonstration, we'll guide you through the setup and operation process. hippsc U7 Pro, the future of intelligent machining operation, on the edge.